Elevate your space with Snooze Factory's premium curtain rods. Are you tired of ordinary window treatments and yearn for a touch of opulence in your living space? Look no further than Snooze Factory's groundbreaking curtain rods. Our adjustable rods effortlessly blend style and functionality, turning any window into a captivating focal point. Say goodbye to lackluster curtains and hello to a new era of window decor with Snooze Factory. Crafted with top-tier materials, our curtain rods redefine durability and strength, ensuring they stand the test of time. Experience hassle-free installation with our innovative double rod design, suitable for windows of any size. Transform your home decor without the complexities, thanks to Snooze Factory's easy-to-use brackets and adaptable pipe system. Snooze Factory's curtain rods embody versatility and elegance, offering a range of finishes and designs to complement your home's unique style. Enjoy unmatched value without compromising on quality. Upgrade your living space with top-notch curtain rods at an affordable price point. It's time to elevate your home with Snooze Factory's premium curtain rods. Click the link below to secure your set today and embark on a journey towards a more refined living space. Experience sophistication and style with our exceptional curtain rods, the definitive choice for a striking window transformation. Place your order now and step into a world of elegance with Snooze Factory.